For this question, we need to get common denominators. So if we look at the denominators of 3 and 10, one way to do this is to make a list of all the multiples of 3. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. Right, and we keep making these lists all the way out. Alright, now I have to go pretty far here. But these are all the multiples of 3. Alright, so then we get the multiples of 10. They're easy, that's 10, 20, 30. Alright, so what we're looking for here is what number is common to both of these lists. And we have to go until we get a common number, which is why I had to go out 10 multiples of 3. But we find out that it's 30. So what I need to do is take negative 8/3 and rewrite that as a fraction with 30 in the denominator. And I need to write negative 1/10 as a fraction with 30 in the denominator. Now they'll both have the same denominator. So what I do when I want to do this, I say 3 goes into 30 10 times, and we take, so think of it as this, 3 goes into 30 10 times. 10 times negative 8 would be negative 80. So negative 80 over 30 is the same as negative 8 over 3. And hopefully you can see that. All I have to do is strike out the 2 zeros and I'm back to negative 8/3. Now 10 goes into 30 3 times, right? So 3 times 1 is 3. And that's negative as well. So negative 80 over 30. And then we have negative 3 over 30. And this negative 3 over 30 is the same as negative 1 over 10. But now we have common denominators. And when you add two negative numbers, you just add them as if they were positive. So negative 80 plus negative 3, right? And they both have 30 in the denominator, of course. And by adding two negative numbers, we get negative 83. Right? So negative 83 over 30 is your final answer.